Alright, we're going to show you our room. This is considered a interior handicap accessible room. So we got our door, and then of course you gotta use a key card or any kind of car for your lights. This is two of the light switches you can turn off, and then this side you got this door opener right here. That's just in case of emergency, and that's the bathroom light right here. And then you got the controller for temperature. This is the bathroom. So you got a couple railings for the washcloths and towels, and then you got John, and then that's where the toilet paper is, alarm if you need it, couple of shelves, a mirror, that's where the garbage is, and then they usually put Kleenex in that for you. The sink, nice mirror, and if you're wondering, the plug is in the bottom here, and then the shower is like this. You got a seat to sit and railings and the shower head. Then I'll show you the room. On the right hand side you got your telephone, and then you got the trash can, and then you got a nice size table to put stuff. We got a whole bunch of stuff on it, a nice TV, a mirror, a couple shelves, and there's a couple drawers that you can put stuff in, and a refrigerator that you can put stuff in if you want, and then there's a seat where you can put stuff in, and you can also sit. There's also two drawers, or two storage areas. You can put a lot of stuff in there. And then the other storage area, that's got your safe and everything in it, and a big mirror. And then on this side of the wall, they got a couple of handles you can put stuff on. Also, that's where usually the do not disturb sign is on. And then on this side, there's this thing on the ground. Supposed to be like a shelf area that goes right there, but it's taken down because I had to plug in my CPAP. And then they got alarms if you need them. And this is actually a light I can pull out if you want a reading light. And then there is a light for that. I will show you that. So the handicapped person would go in that room area. Then this side has a shelf, but it's actually on so you can see what it looks like. Then they also have a night light and the alarm. And then there's controls that controls the light on top there, and then these two can turn the room off so you don't have to get up to change it. And there's a nice picture of some dolphins, and that's what the interior handicap room looks like. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.